Your handsome boyfriend has been the man of your dreams until you guys slept together one day and you realize that he snores like generator with get leprosy. See, baby girl, in this world you shall see tribulations, but be of good cheer. Dr. Flash is here. One of the things you can do to help your snoring is the use of saline nasal spray. It helps to reduce your congestion you apply before sleep. Another thing is CPAP. Get one thing you go to use like this before you sleep. It helps a lot for snoring. Uvulopalatopharyngoplasty is a surgical process that will just help you remove excess tissues in your throat, like I said yesterday. If you are too obese, try and be working out. Plenty fat around your throat can cause snoring. When you sleep also, sleep on your side, not on your back. I hope this help is so. Now download this video and share on your WhatsApp status. It can help another soul who is battling with snoring. And then tap that follow button. Does it bite? It doesn't bite. And then to learn more about yourself. Flashwire.
Jesus. Jesus.
5 years of madness.
Jay. What? Okay. Help us. Help us. There is God.
Then Tiagasa.
There is God. God should descend today. God will descend here.
Hey! Bro, stand up here, don't come.
I swear. Now these sound effects all comedians they use now. Now this sound effects. Jesus!